Hey guys, this is Giselle from Benchmark. Today I'm going to teach you how to stake a line in MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So here I am in my project. We've got a little simulator, so we'll pretend that little arrow is me walking around my project. And say I'm staking my points and I want to document where I've put the stakes. So to start, you just click on any random line and that's going to open your line toolbar. From your line toolbar, you've got a gazillion options, but right now we're just going to click the stake figure one in the second row to specify exactly what line you'd like to stake. And you also can specify the direction in which you'd like to stake. This can change the equation up a bit. Okay, so once you've got everything decided, you're just going to click OK, and then you're going to click Stake Line. To stake some more points, you're going to click RTK Fixed, Save Point and Raw Data, and Store Point. And as you can see, I'm doing it again. I'm clicking RTK Fixed, Store Point and Raw Data, and Store Point. So now I'm going to explain what all these settings mean in your lower left corner. The first one is staking method. You've got 3 staking methods to choose from. You've got directional and absolute and relative stationing. Next you have your little tool button, and these are your options. If you ever feel like adjusting your staking settings, this is where you would go. You also have the option to zoom a little closer with this magnifying glass. Alright, to exit out of your line staking command, you're going to click the X, click close, and X again, and that takes you out of your line staking command. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call us at our 1-800 number.